Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take lecture-wise attendance. So go to your school's portal and log in with your username and password. Remember, you can do this very easily with your phone itself. If you're using the Top School Teacher app, you can do this with your phone as well. So in the attendance tab, you can click on the lecture-wise attendance and the date is automatically set for today. And select the class for which you want to mark the attendance for. Whichever classes are assigned to you, only those will be visible in the drop-down list. Now, I took an online class, let's say today morning at 9 o'clock, and now I want to mark the attendance. So I'll click on Take Attendance, and I can see by default all the students are marked as present. All those students who were absent, now let's say if Ameya was absent, I'll just click on this and there will be a red tab. That means that particular student was absent. Click absent for 3 students. You can click absent for all the students who are absent for your lectures and click on submit. Okay. So in that way you can mark the attendance. In case you want to update it later on, in case if you have not marked present or absent of any student, you can come back and update the tab as well. So over here we can see 3 absent and present. So I'll just show you even from the student side that how the absentee or the attendance is marked. So we marked absent for Ameya, so I'll log into Ameya's account. So now I am in Ameya's account and in attendance I can see for today, for 1st August, it's marked as absent. Similarly, even children can see month-wise how much attendance they had. So in this way, you can mark the lecture-wise attendance, and I also showed you how it looks like from the student side. Also, we have added a student session log, where you can select a date, which date you particularly want to see, and show. And then you can see all the lectures you took on that particular day. And when you click on details, you'll be able to see all the students and at what time they joined your lecture. Okay. So that's all about taking lecture-wise attendance and also a student session log. Thank you.